Hello, you're looking at one of my outdoor chairs, and unfortunately the webbing has started to break around the metal frame, which makes it look untidy. There's still a nice comfortable chair to sit in, so today I'm going to show you a way of repairing that webbing with a bit of glue. So I'm using a bit of this liquid nails. It's a high strength construction adhesive, and it's used by builders and people in the building industry. And the great thing about it is it's a similar colour to the webbing, so it's going to match the webbing quite well. So I won't squirt it out of the tube, but I'm going to take the top off and just get a little bit of glue on my screwdriver and dab that around under the webbing to help it stick back to the metal frame. So a little bit of glue, don't use too much glue. Don't use too much glue, just lightly dab it around the metal frame there, and that's enough to stick the webbing back to the metal frame. Okay, a little bit more glue there, just a light sort of smear around the metal frame, both front and back. Okay, there's a close-up of the webbing now, and I'm just going to feed that webbing back around the metal frame, just how it so it's sitting pretty well in the same position where it started from before the webbing broke. Okay, the webbing's now back in place, and I'll use one of these little clips to hold it in place while the glue dries, and it takes a number of hours for the glue to dry. Okay, so I've done the same for that the other piece of webbing that was loose. It's been probably about 6 hours now, so I can take off the clips that are holding the webbing in place, and there we go. The webbing is now reattached with the glue back to that metal frame. Okay, so there's a close-up of the repair. It's obviously you can still see a little bit of the glue when you look closely, but I'll get my little screwdriver and clean off some of the excess glue while it's still it's still a bit sort of soft, and can be taken away. You can also use a bit of mineral turpentines to clean off some of that excess glue that's sitting on the surface of the webbing. There's a little piece poking through there, so I'll just trim that off with my tin snips. Okay, there we go. The chair has been repaired, the top part of it. I've still got to do the bottom webbing next, but you can see there that with a little bit of patience, a bit of time, then you can repair the broken webbing on these chairs. So it's not as good as new, but it's much better than having the webbing broken. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.